In this video, we will discuss solar-specific safety measures.
There are two fundamental concerns when it comes to solar safety: fall protection and electrocution. Here we're on top of a roof where fall protection is a concern. What is going to be required is going to be dependent upon what your individual protocols are for your maintenance head, Cal OSHA, as well as LA Metro, and those are to be adhered to. As Metro starts deploying more novel and unique photovoltaic systems, such as the one behind me, new interesting challenges are imposed upon service and maintenance. This one is going to require possibly buckets, lifts that are going to articulate and allow you to get up to service the modules should a failure occur. When it comes to electrocution, following the standard safety practices that are outlined in the NFPA or National Electric Code as well, and wearing your protective gear are going to be critical items. There are some basic tools that one should have with them. The simplest and most used are going to be a DC current clamp, such as this Fluke, and of course a digital voltmeter, again such as this Fluke 87, and your gloves. Always important to have your gloves if you ever need to get into your gear. You want to make sure that you have your 1000-volt gloves handy and safety glasses. Never work on live gear without appropriate PPE, and always work with a buddy when you're around the live equipment. Verify that when you're pulling fuses or servicing your gear, that is indeed dead before you get into it. So check your voltages on the DC and on the AC side. Remember, you have two incoming sources with this equipment. As electricians, you are well trained and very familiar with the hazards of working with electrical current. However, there are some hazards that are very specific to photovoltaics or to solar systems. And primarily it is direct current. Direct current is a constant level with a constant voltage, never passes through zero like alternating current does. As such, the arcs are hotter and they're longer sustained and they never go off. So one of the things to be very aware of is when you're opening disconnect switches, that you always have your safety glasses on, that you're wearing the appropriate shirts, because the arc potential is real. And if the arc is not extinguished because the switch failed and you're not wearing your appropriate gear, there could be some serious consequences.